Okay, so after a week of being in the water mooring at camp, I'm gonna give the boat a wash here. Mackenzie's gonna wash it while I mow. I use this Meguiar's Flagship Premium Marine Wash. This actually came as part of a kit. I'll put a link, an Amazon affiliate link below. This includes, I believe, some wash, some quick wipe detail, all for boats. Mackenzie will use the 2-bucket system. I'll put a link up above to when I use that on the XT250 Yamaha Dual Sport. And the key to washing these is not only to do a good job, but on the Nautique boats, there's a reverse chine system. So when you look under the front of the boat here, as you get about halfway back, you'll notice there's a divot in the hull of the boat. That's the reverse chine, and that helps smooth out the wake while you're skiing. But that's one of the parts that needs cleaned so that remains slippery as you're out on the water. So Mackenzie's gonna wash it, and I'll give you a view after it's done. Mackenzie's just finishing up here in the boat. She's using the California water blade to dry the interior. She used the Norwex window cloth to get all the water spots and any streaks off the windshield so it'll be nice and clean for the next time we go boating. She did a great job washing the boat. The Nautique looks nice. Just one more thing to do after vacation. Put your toys away clean so that they're ready for the next time you use them. We'll do another video about an inboard boat or a Nautique in the future. If you watched our DIY landscape video, you saw us put that mulch in. Now you can see those red hot pokers starting to come up. Like I said, when you get home from camp, it's time to go back to work. We actually came home on a Saturday, which gave us time here on Sunday to do some work before I go back to the office on Monday. That way you're not so rushed after a week off on vacation, trying to get things done before you go back to work. So I'm gonna put the tractor away and we'll take a Jeep ride, call it a day.